Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Getcontact app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on menu down here. When you just click here on menu, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, just click on it here. Then you come to next step, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on color ID settings, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to show call card for calls coming from other apps. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean show call card for calls coming from other apps. Disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.